Good day. Today I'm going to show you how to use the spot matching system in design. What we see here on our screen is the spot matching system, the standard version 7, and we have it open in Adobe Photoshop for starters. So this is the spot matching system, as you can see. And we have in total 2,607 colors in this latest version. The standard version is suited for when you get it, you buy it in PDF format basically. And these colors are, as they say, they are in sRGB format, so they are ready for web design as they are. And they are also optimized for CMYK printing on white neutral substrates according to FOGRA 39 and FOGRA 47, which is, this is the older ISO 12647 standard 2 for CMYK printing. It was, the first version came in 2004 and it was amended in 2007. But SMS colors can also be converted to the newer FOGRA 51, FOGRA 52, as well as Gracol, CRPC 3, CRPC 6, and even CRPC 7. So, but today I'm going to focus on creating a job. I have a customer, and the customer would like to use SMS standard colors, and we are going to prepare a job with 3 colors for this customer. We are going to pick out 3 colors, 3 SMS colors for this customer, and then we are going to create his website, and we are going to prepare a job for printing in CMYK on both coated and uncoated paper. So the basics basically. So let's just get down to it. The first thing you do as a designer is that you pick out the colors you want to use. You can see them here on your screen. And you can simply pick out the colors you like and the colors you want to use for the customer. So I have decided to use 3 colors, and to make this simple, I'm going to use 3 colors from the same row. As you can see, the colors are aligned in the way that the full color is the J line here, and then we have lighter colors towards the ends, very light at the left in the A section, and the full color is J, as I said, and the K is basically the full color with a little bit of black if you need it for let's say text or headlines or whatever, if you need to use it. But for this customer, I'm going to pick out this color, J20. I'm going to begin, and what we do as designers is that we copy this bitmap from the PDF. Copy. And then you create a new document in Photoshop. Make sure that the document is it's RGB, and make sure it is sRGB, so the same RGB format as the PDF color palette. And click OK. Paste the color in here. And since we are going to be picking out and working with 3 colors today, what we do is what we go to canvas size, and let's see, here we go. We see that the width is 111 pixels, so since we need to fit 3 in there, we're going to make it 333. Isn't that correct? Like that. Okay, now we have room for our 2 other colors that we're going to use. Let's see, I'm going to use this color here, right next to the J20, it's K20. Copy, paste. Going to put it right there, right next to it, like that. And one more color, let's pick, no, sorry. We're going to pick out G20. Copy and paste. So this is what we always do when we work with SMS colors. This is a good way to make sure that you don't get confused with the numbers. We can see it, you can read it, SMS G20, SMS J20, and SMS K20. So you know what SMS colors you're working with all the time. So now we're going to save this, save a copy. And this is sRGB format, and we are going to save it in PNG. That's a pretty stable format, and you can use it online as well. So we are going to find a nice place to save this. Let's see, let's just make let me go to a folder, which was, why not? Create a new folder called SMS test, like that. And I'm going to save it as RGB master. These 3 colors, they happen to be the 3 colors of the spot matching system logo, actually. So I am actually quite familiar with these colors. So now we have, let me show you something. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. We are still saving in PNG, okay? And just to be clear, it is quite important when you're working with SMS colors, always when you have the chance, make sure that you embed the ICC profile like that. And we can do that also with our PNG. Like that, make sure this one is checked. We always want to know where the colors came from. In this case, they came from the sRGB color space, okay? Okay. All right, now we have our master.